At DigiClarity Global Solutions, plenty of learning opportunities catapult professional growth, create a highly skilled talent pool, and equip employees with knowledge that stays with them for life. A host of training programs includes technical, communications and soft skills, and the latter is made mandatory for freshers. Employees display great enthusiasm for learning something new every day, which makes our on-the-job training effortless yet efficient. Each time we win a new client, a dedicated team of subject matter experts is quick to bring our teams up to speed. Periodic group feedback sessions and one-on-one connections every quarter across departments provide valuable insights on training effectiveness. DigiClarity's Management Development Program provides the right platform to groom the middle and top management as they gear up for future responsibilities. Enabling employees with these learning and development programs also helps promote a healthy knowledge-sharing environment where employees empower each other. We reap intangible benefits like better job satisfaction and increased employee retention. DigiClarity Global Solutions. Connecting minds, unlocking potential.